Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today we have part 2 of the rations that were from Justin. What we did is we poked a small hole in the corner, and then we checked to see if there was any liquid that came out. And so we poked all of them. There's no liquid. So we're still going to open some of them up just to make sure. Last thing we want is for somebody to purchase one of these rations and open it up, because it's a smell that you will never forget. Okay, this one is, man, it's just smelling terrible.
Oh, phew.
Yeah. Here, this is a, look at that. Just, golly, it just
Forget
really.
opening them. Let's just open them all.
Yeah, we're going to have to open them all. And look at that. Man, that's just terrible. Okay, give us a second. We'll be back with the next one. Okay, here we have a supper. Of course, this is the all-day 3-pack. Oh, man. Look at that.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, this one's going straight in the trash.
Yeah, don't even.
Phew, man. Okay, and then here we have a dinner.
Phew.
Oh, man. This one's got some damage too. It really stinks. So we'll have to tally that up. We still have a bunch more to go. Give us a few minutes and we'll be right back. Here we have another one. And look at that. This, oh man, this thing stinks. So, and this has
What's
been.
that in there?
That's mold. Look at that. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but that's actually mold growing in there. And we just got these on the 20th, and today's the 23rd. So it's obviously been moldy for a while. And as you can see, Nina went and bought me some different gloves. Wow. And look, all the mold that's growing on this.
Ew. Oh boy,
Man,
smells hitting me now.
That's terrible. And look, this even has mold growing on it.
Yeah, you can give me 1,000,000 thumbs down on that YouTube video. I just
Ooh,
want my
man.
money back
Look,
on this
mold
stuff.
growing on. Can you see that? Mold is actually growing on this chocolate bar. And we've got the
Discolored water pack.
But the water's still in there. And we have crackers with,
Soiled wrapper.
yeah, just crap on it.
Okay.
Okay, garbage can. Okay, we got a supper, menu number 2, and this one really smells. First we have the chocolate bar, and you can see something's been leaking. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So this is going straight into the trash can. Flameless ration heater.
Trash.
Ah, man. Accessory pack.
I'm glad we didn't sell any of these.
Well, we did. We sold a couple.
Well, anymore. You know what I mean. Anymore.
Look at that one. Golly. Water, all the water's intact. And I don't know if Nina showed you, I got the trash can sitting right here beside us. And look at this. Gosh, dog. Okay, So give me a minute, we'll go on to the next one. Okay, this one, guys, this is a supper, menu number 2. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, can't really tell. So we have the main. Looks like it's all right. It's got a few dents, but these cans can take a few of these smaller dents like this. So I think this one is probably...
I smell something.
Yeah, you know, I'm smelling the outside edge of this can, and...
I don't know if it's coming from the trash can or from that
no,
bag. That bag in
smell
the
this. Let's see what else we have. We have chocolate bar. Yeah, something's wet on here. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You got your silverware here, your plasticware. Got the flameless ration heater. Water appears to be okay. The water is fine in all of these. And we've got the crackers that have been powdered. And we have the accessory pack. And there's a little bit of moisture inside here. So, man. When I smell the outside edge of this can, I can smell the food inside. So, I'm going to say this is a no-go and this goes in the trash. Okay, guys, we've looked at this. We can't visually see a leak, but oh yeah, right there. Look, see it?
Oh, geez.
Yeah,
Well,
we could smell one area. See it? There it is. So yeah, so we're going to toss this ration. Okay, got another dinner, menu number 2. And this one has a smell coming out of it too. Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah.
This has a leakage. Oh, right there. See it?
That same corner.
Yeah. No. Yeah, it is the same corner. Right there. Man, no wonder it stinks. Okay, and we've got the drink mix. We've got the accessory pack. Flameless ration heater. And we have the crackers or biscuits, unbroken. I think you could run these over in your truck.
Oh, jeez.
And they would still be intact.
No, I run them over and get a flat.
Okay, then we've got the plasticware. We've got the crackers. This one has a little bit of powder, but they don't look that bad. And of course, crackers in the water. All of them are okay. But go back to the main, and you can see. Not sure exactly where it's coming from, but yeah,
chunk
right here. See it? See it right there? I'd like to squeeze it and see it run out, but my luck, it'll squirt all over the house. Nina want to kick my butt, and the house already smells bad. So this one's going in the trash. Okay, we've got these single meal. These are the W rations. We've got a menu number 3. We have a menu number 2. And we have menu number 1. We haven't had any complaints on these yet, but everything's suspect. I think we have 9 of these. We're going to open one of each menu, and if they're okay, no damage, then we're not going to open the other ones. So give us a second. We'll cut them open. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we've cut these 3 open. And first thing we did is, of course, we did the sniff test. And it smells okay. Then the next thing we did is we looked inside, and everything appears to be intact. And the next thing we did is we stuck our hand down in there and checked for moisture. So these appear to be fine. So we're not going to open up any more of these. We've still got the S rations. We may open 1 or 2 of those. So give us a minute. We'll be right back.
Calling a customer a liar is bad business. Because we would not accept a $6 settlement, vendor JN called us liars. At ForeignMRE.com, we promise to never accuse any of our customers of lying. Our videos speak for themselves. Our vendors trust us so much, some of them ship our orders before we pay them. ForeignMRE.com has over 30 vendors. In 2017, we purchased over $57,000 in rations. And we've never had an issue like this out of any vendor. If you are a serious vendor who knows how to ship large orders and stand behind your product, we'd love to partner with you. If your business practices are like vendor JN, we do not want to deal with you at all. Our customers trust us, and we trust them right back. And we hope to continue working with our trusted vendors.